What is up, guys? Check it out, man. We are inside at the World of Wheels. There's so many cool cars back here, guys. I know Andreas is up here, so we're gonna definitely check him out, see what's up, say hello to him while he's here. Definitely check out De Niro CCO. Guys, this is freaking awesome up here. Big shout out to Ronnie at 2 Tenths. We rode with him. I don't know where he went. He went to check out cars. There's so many here. I'll have to catch up with him later, or he'll catch up with me. One of the two. But all right, guys, let's flip this around and check it out. Man, that Mustang looks so good back there, doesn't it, guys? We will get it. But guys, over here, there's something I want to show you first. Check this out. There we go. Look at this on the floor. This is pretty cool, but this is not really what I wanted to show you. But we will check this out while we're here. You see it? World of Wheels since 1962. You see it? So cool, guys. Check it out, guys. Super cool, right? How cool is this? Absolutely awesome, man. The Jetsons, I love this. This makes my day, absolutely. Check this out, Bugs Bunny. They got the Bugs Buggy out here. Check him out, he's on big O slicks, you see him? Man, so cool, guys, so cool. But check this out, so many awesome cars. This one here, I don't even know what it is from here, but it's beautiful. All these beautiful displays set up. Guys, that's what it is. That's what we're out here doing. We're gonna go around this Nova. So many people out here. Man, check it out. Super cool. Oh man, that thing is gorgeous too, guys. We gotta check it out. Look at this here. So many cars, so many. Make sure you get on there, check us out, guys. We're gonna be live streaming here in just a few minutes. Look at this, and we're gonna go through and get all these. And this is just one floor, guys. There are multiple floors to this, so we're gonna make sure that we get in here and check them all out. There's an O'Reilly's display. Check it out. Shout out to O'Reilly's, but I know this is what you guys really want to see. Woo, look at that, guys. Yeah, it looks real nice. Beautiful cars. So many people out here checking everything out. Beautiful displays. Beautiful. Look at all these people. This place is packed in here, guys. So definitely make sure that you guys get it on YouTube there. Check us out. I'll post a link in the description of this video. We will be live from World of Wheels here in just a few minutes, guys. We will see you then. Keep on trapping.